Neil Patel, a renowned figure in the digital marketing world, has achieved remarkable success as a multi-millionaire through his expertise in search engine optimization and online marketing strategies. His journey to fame and fortune serves as an inspiring case study for those seeking success in the competitive landscape of digital entrepreneurship. This video will delve into Neil Patel's rise to prominence within the SEO and marketing industry, the tactics he employed to achieve his multi-millionaire status, and how aspiring entrepreneurs can apply these strategies to build their successful business. Neil Patel's rise. Neil Patel's journey to becoming a multi-millionaire through SEO and digital marketing began with a passion for technology and entrepreneurship. Patel showed an early interest in the internet and started his first website when he was 16 years old. He continued to pursue his passion while attending college, and by the age of 21, co-founded Crazy Egg, an online analytical tool. This venture marked the beginning of Patel's career in the digital marketing industry. One of Neil Patel's pivotal moments came when he co-founded Kissmetrics, an analytics company in 2008. Kissmetrics quickly gained recognition in the industry for its data-driven approach to marketing, helping businesses understand customer behavior and improve their online presence. Patel's involvement with Kissmetrics solidified his reputation as an SEO and marketing expert. Over the years, Neil Patel expanded his influence by founding several other companies, including Neil Patel Digital, and becoming an author, speaker, and prominent thought leader in the digital marketing sphere. His blog, podcast, and YouTube channel became valuable resources for marketers and entrepreneurs worldwide. Neil Patel's tactics for success. Content marketing. Neil Patel's emphasis on the importance of high-quality content in attracting and attaining an audience. He constantly creates valuable blog posts, videos, and podcasts, establishing himself as a trusted source of information in the digital marketing field. SEO mastery. Patel's expertise in SEO is a cornerstone of his success. He knows the ever-evolving landscape of search engines and keeps up to date with algorithm changes. His commitment to SEO has helped him rank consistently high in search engine result pages, driving organic traffic to his website and businesses. Personal branding. Neil Patel's personal brand is a crucial element of his success. He has successfully positioned himself as an authority in digital marketing by sharing his knowledge and expertise openly. This branding has attracted countless followers and clients to his businesses. Data-driven approach. Patel's ventures, such as Kissmetrics, revolve around data analysis and insights. He emphasizes the importance of making data-driven decisions to improve marketing strategies and drive business growth. Continuous learning. Neil Patel is a lifelong learner who stays current with industry trends and developments. His dedication to staying informed and adapting to changes in the digital marketing landscape has contributed to his enduring success. What we can learn from Neil Patel's success. Prioritize quality content. Content marketing remains a vital strategy for businesses in the digital age. Aspiring entrepreneurs should invest in creating valuable and relevant content that resonates with their target audience. Master SEO techniques. Understanding and implementing SEO best practices is essential for online visibility. Entrepreneurs should stay informed about SEO updates and optimize their website accordingly. Build a strong personal brand. Building a personal brand can help entrepreneurs establish credibility and trust with their audience. Sharing expertise, being authentic, and providing value are key elements for effective personal branding. Embrace data-driven decision-making. Data analysis can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and marketing performance. Entrepreneurs should collect and analyze data to refine their strategies and achieve better results. Commit to continuous learning. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, continuous learning is essential. Staying informed about industry trends and experimenting with new strategies can lead to innovation and success. Conclusion. Neil Patel's journey from a young entrepreneur with a passion for technology to a multi-millionaire in the digital marketing industry serves as a testament to his dedication, expertise, and innovative thinking. His rise to fame within the SEO and marketing world is a result to his commitment to creating high-quality content, mastering SEO techniques, building a strong personal brand, embracing data-driven decision-making, and continuously learning and adapting to industry changes. Aspiring entrepreneurs can draw valuable lessons from Neil Patel's success story by implementing these tactics in their own ventures. By prioritizing these strategies and maintaining a relentless pursuit of excellence, individuals can increase their chances of achieving success in the competitive landscape of online businesses and marketing. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more essential videos. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.